Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving over Flat Bridge. This is the most dangerous bridge in Jamaica. Now as you can see, there are no rails. That's the Rio Cobre that we're crossing over now. This bridge has no rails. It's a single lane bridge built in the 17th century, over 300 years ago, before cars were even invented. And it is still being used today. Now, as to why this bridge has not been replaced is a mystery. Now, it wouldn't make sense to widen this bridge because it's so old that it wouldn't make sense to widen it. What they need to do is build a new bridge. Now, Jamaica has a major bridge replacement program going on. Millions of US dollars are being spent on the program. I think the total is 100 million US dollars to fix 55 bridges in Jamaica. But Flat Bridge is not one of the bridges to be upgraded or replaced, which is very strange. And also, Jamaica recently got hit by a massive hurricane, a Category 5 hurricane that devastated Western Jamaica, where the eye came ashore. And as a result of that, the government announced that they are going to be building a highway network to encircle Jamaica along the coast, because they have realized how difficult it is to get aid into the certain parts of Jamaica that do not have a highway or a proper road structure. Now look at this road. This is the Bog Walk Gorge. On the left is the Rio Cobra, on the right is rocks. Now if a hurricane was to come through this section, this road would be impassable for days, if not weeks, when all these trees come down and there is nowhere to literally, you'd have to clear the road. This road needs to be upgraded, but more specifically, the bridge needs to be replaced. One, it's old. And two, after what Jamaica just experienced with Hurricane Melissa, can that bridge stand up to a Category 5 hurricane? Can this gorge? But the gorge definitely can't. Without a doubt, these trees would have come down and blocked it, and boulders. So a replacement bridge is needed. So we're going to give you an update on this. Few structures in Jamaica carry as much history and controversy as Flat Bridge. Tucked deep inside the Bog Walk Gorge, crossing the Rio Cobra, this narrow bridge has served the country for nearly 3 centuries. Long before highways and bypasses, Flat Bridge was a vital gateway between Kingston and the North Coast, helping to move people, produce, and trade across the island. Flat Bridge was built in an era of horses and carts, not buses, trucks, and thousands of daily commuters. It is only 1 lane wide, controlled by traffic lights with no room for error. When vehicles stall or accidents occur, traffic grinds to a halt in both directions. During heavy rains, the rising Rio Cobra can flood the crossings entirely, forcing closure and cutting off a key route. Despite these risks, Flat Bridge remains heavily used. Many motorists rely on it as an alternative to longer routes, especially when traffic builds up elsewhere. This constant pressure has turned a historic structure into a modern safety concern. The problem is that Flat Bridge cannot simply be fixed or widened. The bridge sits in a tight limestone gorge surrounded by steep slopes and unstable terrain. Its foundations are old, and altering them could compromise the structure entirely. Engineers have long agreed that retrofitting the bridge to modern standards would be costly, risky, and ultimately impractical. This is why attention has shifted towards the idea of a replacement bridge. A modern structure built nearby could be wider, elevated above flood levels, and designed with proper safety barriers and multiple lanes. It will allow traffic to flow freely, reduce accident risk, and remain operational even during extreme weather events. Importantly, it would also protect the original flatbridge, which could be preserved as a National Historic Landmark rather than being pushed beyond its limits. While there has not yet been a single announcement naming Flatbridge as officially under construction, Jamaica has begun investing in large-scale bridge replacement programs across the island. These efforts focus on aging, flood-prone crossings, placing Flatbridge squarely within long-term infrastructure planning. The future of Flatbridge is not about erasing history, but about building alongside it, allowing the old bridge to stand as a symbol of endurance while a new one carries Jamaica safely into the future.